sunglasses. Where we got my sunglasses?
Well, look, here's some more pretty golden. Come on, dude, get out of the way. Okay, where's the baby?
Came looking for me. Let's work around this way, shall we?
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't know. Oh, shit. Or no.